Di man to? Bawaw.
Din bagto na ka na. Alaran na daw.
Ito guys yung the Siberian tiger, one of the largest and most powerful tiger. Lives in the Siberian forest. Yung bigat niya guys, it's weight up to 360 kilo. And then go out for hunting during the night. The gestation period is 100 days. A small tiger is born blind. Wow, di ba? Ang ganda. Napakaganda talaga ng Siberian tiger. Yan guys, parang namayap na sa loob ng kulungan. Marami pa ditong mga gandang animals. Ayan. At ito naman guys yung the bear. Considered of predatory mammal animals, enjoy high accuracy in hearing and smell senses. Its speed reaches 50 km hours. Wow, its rangers from 25 to 40 years old. It's live in different environment and cold environments such as polar bears and tropical environment. Grabe yung niya, yung bilis niya. 50 km. Bilis talaga ng bird. Ayan so guys sa loob guys oh. Parang kakainin niya yata ako eh. The fox, it's known as intelligent animal from predatory mammals. It exists as an almost all continent. Eat meat and plants. Its average life in 2 years if live in the wilderness, but maybe last up to 10 years in the lion from predatory mammals. The lion is its male, female, and the calf its son. The average is 10 years. Its weight between 150 and 250 kilo. Lion's food meat. Lion's feed its 55 km hours. Lions live in the forest. Wow. Ganda ng lion. Hello guys, dito kami ngayon sa ostrich. Ang laki oh. Marami dito guys meron sila dito ang tawag dito laama. Ayan guys, laama. Yan palang laama belongs to the ayan guys, yan po yung laama. Dito naman guys yung mga manok. Ayan yung Guinea owl. Bowl. Dito naman Patula siya dito. Yung the bad eagle. Ah, bad eagle. Ayan. Pero wala siya dito guys, oh. Baka nandun siya sa loob. Ayan. Tapakan natin dito. Yan po yung black. Ayan. Meron din doon sa loob. Ito yung carnero. Yung mga aso. Yan guys, yung mga aso guys. Yan natin dito kung anong meron dito. Yung rose. Ganda ng pagkano nila. May bear dito guys. Bear. Yan siya guys. Ang laki niya. Diba? Ito pag nakalabas to. Grabe ang laki. Grabe yung ano niya, kuko niya. Oh. Meron din dito ano guys. Fox. Yan yung fox. Yan siya guys. Dalawang fox. Meron din dito may lion. The lion. Yan sila guys. Lalaki at saka meron din dito. Siberian tiger.
Welcome.
Siberian tiger. Haba pala. Ito yung ano guys. Alam mo na ng pangalan nito. Meron din yung ano dito guys. Rabbit. Rabbit. Meron ding pato. Kabayo. Kumakain ng wood yung kinakain nyo. Ito palang pangalan nyo nito, the cococane. Yun siya guys, oh. Grabe yung ganda dito. Maliit lang na so, pero ganda siya puntahan.